So let's talk charts. Here is the weekly chart. Today is Thursday, and more than half a week has gone, and I'm loving this consolidation. I don't think my chart is moving. This chart is moving, but this chart is not moving. I've had this problem before. It's a very annoying problem. So let me not refresh the chart because it'll get stuck. All right. A lot of people are concerned about this RSI divergence. I am not concerned about it because the price action and the consolidation is more important. The MACD remains very, very positive, and the CMF remains in incredible shape. This is a very bullish pattern to me. We are on a green star, and I believe that a breakout is imminent past all-time highs. Let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart looks great. I like the daily chart as well. Let's update the MRI and see what's going on. And, ooh, I didn't want to see that. So the MRI is close to an MRI top. Maybe I should have looked at my charts before titling the video. The daily MRI top could cause a little bit of an issue, but I am still hoping that the last two candles going into an MRI top are similar to the last two candles of the last MRI top. So even if we consolidate into an MRI top over the next 2 days, I still think we are going to break out to a new all-time high. I like this consolidation, and I love consolidating at the top. I believe we had the second highest Bitcoin daily close ever at 58,794. Was it higher than this? No, almost. It was the third highest daily close ever. Maybe the fourth highest daily close ever, but they're all so close. Now, some people were concerned about the funding rate. I am not that concerned about the funding rate. If we look at the funding rate and we draw a line, where's my drawing to? And I guess I can even take the top, it's okay. Slide that back over. As you can see, we are hitting similar levels we did on February 5th. And let's see what happened between February 5th and February 17th. If we go to February 5th, we were actually on an MRI top. So between February 5th and February 17th, we had a second MRI top. So just because the funding rate is a little bit elevated, it's okay because it has consolidated and was near zero for quite a while. So I'm not that concerned at the moment about the funding rate. Tone, can you look at the OBV and set the time frame to 5 minutes on Bitcoin? I really don't want to look at the 5-minute chart, guys. I really don't. I know it's a super chat, and it's also 1:30 in the morning, and I'm exhausted. And I'll try to remember and take a look at it another day. Though on a 5-minute chart, it's not going to matter in a day. The RSI is still looking fairly well. I know it's been diverging in forever, but once the RSI, gets back to 64, 65, it won't be as divergent. The MACD is looking great. We just crossed over, so the MACD is telling you to get into bullish trades now. Here is my biggest concern. My biggest concern for the daily chart is this. This is very, very bad. I don't like the CMF. I don't like the Chaikin money flow. This is my concern. As you can see, the last time the CMF fell this much was between January 10th and February 2nd. So now if we go to the price and we go to January 10th to February 2nd, we were right at the high on an MRI top going into February 2nd right down here. So the CMF was in line with the drop in price. Now the CMF is crashing, but the price is rising. That is my biggest concern. It's not the funding rate. It's not the RSI divergence. It's definitely not the MACD, because that just turned bullish. But the CMF is concerning. So if there's one piece of concern on a daily chart, it is definitely the CMF. I haven't looked at Lucid SARs in a while. I know I got to make my own SARs, but for now, favorites. I got too many favorites. That's the parabolic SAR. What happened to the Lucid SAR? There it is, Lucid SAR. I like the Lucid SAR. Look, we flipped and we're now bullish. Now, what about the Lucid SAR on the weekly? I haven't looked at these in a while. This is not 1:30 in the morning is not the time to do this. Or at least here it's there. It should be bullish. Oh, it's still cranking. It's taking its sweet time. I don't know why the Lucid SAR is taking so long. It's not that complicated of a formula. Let's just redo it. Oh, because my weekly chart maybe doesn't work. I don't know. Maybe it's not live updating. Yeah, my weekly chart is stuck. That's why it's not working. Oh, I just added it twice. It probably won't work. Something's wrong with my weekly chart. Yeah. Let's. Nah, something's wrong. I'm not answering that question, Nordic, because it's disappointing you even asked it. It's probably the that shitcoin won best new scam award at the last Scammies. So 4-hour chart is consolidating. It's neither bullish nor bearish. And the 1-hour chart is consolidating. It's neither bullish nor bearish. All right, that is it. That is my weekly chart's not working. I may have to restart my computer. I don't know what to tell you guys. Gold. Until we break this green line, I'm gonna pause. S&P. I thought it broke 4,000. We'll break 4,000 soon. All right. Mempool. Mempool's been pretty congested. Mempool's been congested, and my personal fee estimation, high priority, I would set high priority to about 50-60 sat per byte, medium priority about 40, and low priority about 30. That would be the tone vase fee estimation. All right, that's it. We just wait for that breakout. Here's the monthly chart. We got 4 to 5 more months of upside. So maybe the top is coming later than I expected. And that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. Love the April Fool's Day, Peter. I wish this wasn't an April Fool's Day. Eventually, this will not be an April Fool's Day joke, because you should understand Bitcoin. Very disappointing. That's all I can say. All right. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one. Please don't fall for the fake tone vases in the comment section. Bye, guys. Oh, wait, shit. Like my tweet said, we do need to break 59,500 before the big pop. So that's what I'm waiting for. If you read my tweet, once we go up another 500, the break of all-time high is imminent and 70K is not far behind. That implies, look at the price. That implies we break 59,500. Until we do, you might as well wait. Thank you all for watching and see you all on the next one.